Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification. Woo! Having that said, I wasn't really planning to film today, but we got a new car part. It just came in. I'm about to open it up and show you guys what we got. The box is pretty big, so it's gonna be a good part. It's gonna be a good part. Hopefully we could get the part painted. I just give you guys a hint not to paint it or wrap it. Doesn't have any color on it, but we're about to open it and let me show you guys the box. It's pretty big. Look at this. It's big. Look, it's literally the size of a table. So we're about to unbox it. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Box. It's almost the, oh shit. It's just the size of me, bro. Alright, boys. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is nice, bro. Oh, it has different parts. Here's the bottom. Sheesh! Grills for the bumper. Here's the bottom part. Just gotta open it. It's the GT350 bumper. Guys, look. The bumper's right here, bro. I was so scared not to try to like break it or squeeze it. Can't even see the rear. Whoa. I don't even know how I'm gonna drive. I gotta be super careful. Alright guys, see you when I'm there. We're gonna go get a price on it. Hopefully we can get it done by today so you guys can see the outcome. See you guys when I get there. And honestly, dirt, it's expensive, bro. It's expensive to get the bumper painted, and then they charge me for installation. So in total, I'd be looking at $1,092 with 31 cents for one of them, HPM. I heard they were really good, but I called other shops and they were actually offering me a little cheaper. But the thing is that I'm scared that it's not gonna match the car, you know. So we're gonna go and get the price. One of them was charging me $450, and I would have to install it myself, which I kind of want just because I want to give you guys content on it. Other than that, the other one is $200. So we'll see which one we go to, you know. So guys, I just turned in the bumper. This is the bottom, so you don't really have to paint this. They're charging me $250, and they got the gas cap just so they can match the bumper. $250 isn't bad. Hopefully it matches the car. I don't want it to look mismatched. I mean, I guess that's why he took the cover of the gas cap. That way he can match the colors, you know. Alright guys, so while we wait for the bumper to get ready and get painted, we're gonna go ahead and do the oil change. I always go for Motorcraft. I did switch it up a bit, but I always come back running to them. But I always end up putting Motorcraft again. I feel like just because it's a Ford brand, I kind of like going with it. I've gone with Valvoline, I've gone with Mobil 1, I've gone with all those type of brands. But I always gravitate towards Motorcraft. And we usually get the Motorcraft oil filter, but they ran out, so we went with the Mobil 1. So pretty much I'm gonna show you guys how to do an oil change if you guys don't know how to do one already. Your boy's about to put you on. That way you don't go to those expensive ass mechanics or oil changes places and get taxed like crazy. First thing first, I'm low as hell, so the lift does not fit. I have to put a wood and then move it up. I'll show you. Make sure you guys secure this so it won't fall on you guys. Usually I have 2 jacks, but I don't have one, so I use the lift, the cat, and the jack. I'm glad I'm gonna get rid of this bumper now, which is not a bad bumper, but I mean, you don't want a broken bumper, you know, it's embarrassing. And I forgot to show you guys, look, they literally took the oil cap just so they could see, they could match the bumper with the cap. But if you have anything that you could leave behind so we can match the paint, I'm like, no, these fools took the gas cap, bro. So for those who don't know, this is the oil cap. You're gonna add an oil in here. It tells you the weight motor oil on top, 5W20. You go to the side. That is your oil dipstick. This is how you read the oil. I know a lot of people know. This is so stupid. I know a lot of people know already, but there's some people that still don't know. So I'm putting you guys on, you know, free game. Alright guys. So once you're down here and the car is secure, you wanna locate the drain plug. It looks funny. Look, this is the drain plug. There's the oil pan, that's the transmission in the back. Can't really see it, it's hard to show you guys. As a drain plug, the oil filter is gonna be by the wheel. The oil filter is right here by the wheel. So that's the oil filter. And here's the drain plug. This is where the oil is gonna be at. You're gonna drain this. In this case, it's going to be a 15 millimeter socket, but sometimes they're 12 millimeters, 10 millimeters. You'd be surprised. And then it's gonna be lefty loosey, righty tighty. Don't over tight the drain plug. You're gonna mess up the threads on the oil pan. I always put a piece of cardboard in the bottom of the car. You want to wipe it down. Don't over tighten this. You're gonna mess up the drain plug. Once you feel it nice and snug, you know, you wipe it down, make sure it's not leaking. Here go the oil filter. It's right here. You pretty much just twist it to take it off. You can either use a band wrench, you know, it depends what kind of tools you have. I want to loop the top, that way it doesn't get stuck when you try to take it off the next time. And don't over tighten it either, because then you're not going to be able to take it off next time. Free game, bro. I'm putting you on free game. Alright, so once you've done that, you successfully drained the old oil and took off the old oil filter. So now it's time to add the new oil, and the way you go about that, like I said, you take off the oil cap. That's where the oil goes. And that's where you check the oil level. Next, you're gonna want to start it up. Start this shit up. You're gonna want to go down underneath the car and see if it's leaking. Drain plug, if it's not dripping from the drain plug, then you're good to go. That's how you do your oil change. Dripping from the drain plug and the oil filter, then you're good to go. You just lower it, you know, put things away, recycle it, take it to AutoZone, don't throw it to the trash or the sewers, you will be fined. And then that's all there is. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap things up and then see if we have any updates on the bumper so we couldn't reinstall it already. So I'm gonna wrap things up and then hit up the shop to see if we have any updates on the bumper. Hopefully we could install it today and you guys can see that, you know. It's literally the third day. I dropped off the bumper at the shop and I barely got it delivered. It's right here. So that's the new bumper. I still need to build it. And that's the car. And they gave me my gas cap cover thing back. I might step that helping me with the bumper. Right here. What do you think?
I guess it can come out nice, I guess.
So we're gonna get rid of this and it's gonna look different. Those lights in the bottom, these, I'm not gonna have them no more. No. I'm only gonna have these and these right here.
Aren't those extra?
They're fog lights, well, I guess. I mean, for like, why is it so close? For $250, you can't really complain. The car, the bumper looks good. There's no scratches. Still look good. Look, guys, this is how bad it was. Look at my finger. And then right here, you can see my washer reservoir. It's really bad.
We can't see
Get rid of it.
What's the progress so far?
I'm trying to take out the skip plate, right? I have some bolts right here, but the wood hit it so bad that look, it's missing this whole part of the skip plate. No sé, pero dice que aquí, mira.
That part's not taken off. This part's like ripped off already, huh?
Yeah, mira, acá está el pedazo que me decían el mecánico.
Damn. Disconnected from. Guys, this is the new bumper right there.
No, sí, es más este es de la culebra, pero no, es para este carro, pues. Literally built for the freaking bumper, the whole setup, the whole painting it, the whole building it. Took me 3 days, literally 3 days. First I had to drop it off. They said that they were gonna paint it that same day, but I didn't get it back. So I had to go the next day, and the next day they were like, oh, we painted it, but you have to wait for it to dry. So I had to wait, and after that I got the bumper, but I had to build it. I had to put it together. It took me like 4 hours, honestly, and it's simply just because I had to take off the old bumper, take away the lights off the old bumper, and pretty much it's just a turn signal. So the fog lights don't go on it, but honestly it looks good. It does make the car look a little different, but I'm planning to wrap it so it's not gonna stay this color. Let me show you guys how it looks.